Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this two-part video series, we're tackling a common question: should you top off your car's gas tank? We'll explore the pros and cons, potential risks, and essential tips to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the world of automobiles, this discussion will provide valuable insights. So, let's jump into part 1 and find out if topping off your gas tank is a good idea. Many drivers wonder whether it is beneficial or necessary to top off their car's gas tank after filling up. The answer to this question may not be as straightforward as you might think. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of topping off your gas tank and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. So, let's delve into the details and determine whether this practice is truly worth your time and money. Topping off your car's gas tank is a common practice that many people engage in without giving it much thought. However, it's important to understand the concept of topping off and its implications for your vehicle's fuel system. In this segment, we will explore what topping off means and why some people choose to do it. What is topping off? Topping off refers to the action of adding additional fuel to your vehicle's gas tank after the automatic shut-off mechanism has already been engaged at the gas station pump. This means that you continue to pump gas into the tank even after the nozzle has clicked off, signaling that the tank is full. It often involves squeezing a few extra drops of fuel to round up the amount or fill the tank to its maximum capacity. Why do people top off their gas tanks? There are several reasons why people choose to top off their gas tanks, although not all of these reasons are valid or recommended. Let's take a closer look at some of the motivations behind this practice. Maximizing fuel capacity. Some individuals believe that by topping off the tank, they can maximize their vehicle's fuel capacity and extend the driving range between refills. However, modern fuel systems are designed to accommodate a certain level of fuel expansion, and attempting to exceed that limit can cause issues. Avoiding frequent stops. Topping off the tank may also stem from a desire to reduce the frequency of refueling stops. This can be particularly relevant during long trips or when gas stations are not readily available. However, it's important to note that overfilling the tank can lead to fuel leakage, which poses safety hazards and can damage the vehicle's components. Seeking financial advantages. Some individuals top off their gas tanks in an attempt to take advantage of lower fuel prices or to use up the remaining balance on a prepaid gas card. While the intention may be to save money, it's crucial to consider the potential risks associated with overfilling the tank. Potential risks of topping off. Topping off the gas tank of your car might seem like a good idea to maximize your fuel efficiency or get a few extra miles out of a tank. However, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and drawbacks associated with this practice. Let's explore the fuel spillage and safety hazards, the environmental impact, and the damage it can cause to your vehicle's evaporative emission system. Fuel spillage and safety hazards. When you top off your gas tank, there is a risk of fuel spillage. Overfilling the tank can cause the fuel to overflow, leading to dangerous situations. Not only can fuel spill onto the ground, creating a fire hazard, but it can also come into contact with hot engine parts, increasing the risk of fire. Additionally, the fuel vapor can mix with the air, creating a potentially explosive atmosphere. To prevent fuel spillage and associated safety hazards, it is essential to follow the fuel pump's automatic shut-off feature and avoid overfilling the tank. Keeping a safe distance between the fuel nozzle and the filler neck can also minimize the risk of spillage. Environmental impact. Topping off your gas tank can have negative consequences for the environment. When fuel overflows or spills onto the ground, it can contaminate soil and water sources. These fuel leaks can introduce harmful chemicals and pollutants into the ecosystem, affecting plants, animals, and even human health. Furthermore, evaporative emissions from fuel can contribute to air pollution. Fuel vapors contain volatile organic compounds, VOCs, which are known to contribute to the formation of smog and can have detrimental effects on air quality. By topping off your gas tank, you increase the likelihood of releasing these VOCs into the atmosphere. Damage to the vehicle's evaporative emission system. Another potential risk of topping off the gas tank is damage to your vehicle's evaporative emission system. This system is designed to capture and control fuel vapor emissions, preventing them from being released into the atmosphere. However, overfilling the tank can overload this system, causing it to malfunction. Excessive fuel in the evaporative emission system can lead to clogging or saturation of the charcoal canister, which is responsible for storing fuel vapors. This can result in reduced system efficiency and may lead to the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. Repairs to the evaporative emission system can be costly, so it's best to avoid overfilling the tank to prevent potential damage. Considering the fuel spillage and safety hazards, the environmental impact, and the potential damage to your vehicle's evaporative emission system, it is advisable to avoid topping off your car's gas tank. Adhering to the fuel pump's auto shut-off feature and filling the tank to the recommended level will help ensure safety, protect the environment, and maintain the proper functioning of your vehicle's emission control system. Benefits of not topping off. When it comes to filling up your car's gas tank, there are several reasons why you might want to consider not topping it off. Not only can this save you money, but it also helps prevent overfilling and minimizes the environmental impact. Let's explore these benefits in more detail. Cost savings. One of the primary benefits of not topping off your car's gas tank is the potential for cost savings. While it may seem tempting to squeeze in a little extra fuel to get your money's worth, doing so can actually lead to wastage. Gas pumps are designed to automatically shut off once the tank is full, and attempting to surpass this limit can result in spilled fuel or overflow. By stopping at the automatic shut-off point, you'll avoid wasting any fuel and ensure you're only paying for what you actually need. Preventing overfilling. Overfilling the gas tank poses several risks that can be avoided by not topping it off. When you try to squeeze in more fuel than the tank can hold, it can lead to spillage and create a mess, not to mention the unpleasant odor that lingers afterwards. Additionally, overfilling can cause damage to the evaporative emission control system, (EVAP), in your vehicle, which is responsible for controlling harmful gasoline vapors. This can lead to costly repairs down the line. By filling up until the automatic shut-off, you can prevent overfilling and avoid these potential issues. Minimizing environmental impact. Another important consideration when it comes to not topping off your gas tank is the impact on the environment. Spilling fuel during the topping off process can result in the release of harmful fumes and contribute to air pollution. Additionally, any excess fuel that spills onto the ground can seep into the soil and potentially contaminate groundwater sources. By being mindful of not topping off, you can help minimize these environmental risks and do your part in reducing pollution. By understanding the benefits of not topping off your car's gas tank, you can make informed decisions when refueling. Not only will you save money and prevent overfilling, but you'll also contribute to a cleaner and safer environment. So the next time you visit the gas station, remember to stop at the automatic shut-off point and enjoy the advantages of not topping off. That wraps up part 1 of our discussion on whether you should top off your car's gas tank. We've examined the reasons why some people do it and the potential risks involved. Make sure to catch part 2, where we'll explore the best practices and tips to help you decide whether topping off is the right choice for your vehicle and your wallet. If you found this video informative, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube, so you won't miss part 2. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.